Thanks for tuning in, guys. Today we're talking about use of proceeds for the investment, right? We got this private placement ongoing. Just want to let you guys know exactly what we're using the money for. This is sort of a disclaimer. So just to kind of start it off, right? This is a pretty large investment raise, and as part of it, we're trying to use the money mostly to purchase a facility, a place that we can actually move out of Chase's backyard here and get to a proper headquarters. Now we've selected Golden, BC as the location we want to move to. So hopefully by March we can acquire this property with the use of proceeds. This is great, right? This property in Golden is going to allow us to build a test track, a headquarters. And because we want to scale the production team to roughly about 40 people, we'd also like to build potentially a man camp out there. So if you review our business plan, hopefully we kind of lay this out. We want to build a shop as well as a place where we could house staff. So, another big reason for getting the man camp is that we want to be able to attract talent from Calgary, as they can drive in and do shift work essentially for a week or 2 weeks at a time. And I think this will drive a lot of great talent to come and join us in Golden, BC. Now, another thing that we'd like to use the money for is to build more prototypes. What's really cool about what we're doing at Edison is we're working with partners from the get-go that are actually willing to pay for their stuff, which is pretty cool. Very rarely do companies get customers right out of the gate after prototypes. Even though they are helping us out, our partners still, we want to make sure that we have enough money to build our prototypes, not only on the funds provided by customers. This is a nice little buffer for us. We're hoping to build 10 really sick prototypes in 2025. 5 of which are pickup trucks and 5 are heavy semi trucks. Hopefully, these can be finished this year, if not into 2026. Some of these trucks will be used, by us, by Edison as a team for testing and certification. So the reason why we're calling these trucks prototypes is that they are getting purchased by our customers. These partners are going to be putting them out in the field and working them hard. And we want to use their feedback to fine tune the product so that they can actually go into production and be true production vehicles. So out of those prototypes, 2 will actually be for Edison Motors, and that's for certification as well as giving them out to potential customers, right? We want to put our truck into those people's hands so they can work them hard too and make a decision if they want to purchase a truck as well. And what's really important to note about certification is some of the proceeds will be used strictly for CMBS or Transport Canada, as part of our national safety mark, to be able to issue our own bins for Canadian customers. This is a really important thing for us to get. Right now, we only can print bins out of British Columbia like we did with Topsy. Now, what's cool about CMBSS is once we get this, we actually can graduate to the U.S. version. So to be able to sell trucks in the U.S., that's called FMVSS. Now, we'll use some of the proceeds towards this after we complete CMVSS. This may be into 2026, but we're hopeful that we can start on this as soon as possible. So another big benefit of moving to Golden and to buy this big chunk of land is that we actually need a test track to pass certification with. To get CMVSS, we actually need to get our trucks up to speed and to do all sorts of testing, including ABS and whatnot. So what's really cool is that we'll have the means to build our own test track in Golden, BC, right on our property. So we can basically create a campus where we'll be able to innovate, make trucks, and just overall have a great place as a headquarters to do everything we need. Now, finally, Rich has been really awesome working with us. And I think a great use of proceeds for this investment is to allow us to do prototype testing for the pickup kits. Now, we've had an amazing response by people all over North America wanting these conversion kits. We want to make sure that Rich is well funded in terms of what he needs to get the conversion kits up to snuff and up to his high standards. And that means that we'll be investing quite a bit into him. It'll be for parts that he wants us to design and execute, obviously building a few prototypes, his shop in Ontario. And he's also kind of like us. He's working out of a backyard at his place. It'd be great to help him out as well, either with moving into another location nearby in Dunnville, Ontario, either by leasing or purchasing a small shop in Ontario. Obviously, there'll be a lot more details to come on this, but I just wanted to let you know that, while as frugal as we are at Edison Motors, we are going to be using all the proceeds from this investment on really cool, innovative things and trying to move to Golden, BC so we can get to production. If you have any more questions, obviously, shoot me a note. Chase and I are an open book. Really, thanks for all your support as we go through this fundraise.
All right, guys, I want to just take a couple seconds. We're not doing an ad. I just want to thank everyone that's invested with Edison Motors. You guys know we don't have venture capital. We don't have that kind of money. We told them no. We are invested and owned by the fans like you who are watching this video. You guys supported us all the way when it was just an idea, through building Carl to building Topsy, and now as we go back into our next production run, taking this next step. So all of you that supported us, invested with us, thank you so much. We appreciate it more than you know.